There's also a political blame game that's erupted in Maharashtra over this COVID surge. Shiv Sena has come out to pin the blame on BJP for this spike. Sena mouthpiece Samna, in its editorial, said that BJP's demand for withdrawing restrictions have led to an increase in COVID cases. Sena also slammed the Saffron Party and former Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis for protesting over the reopening of temples in the state. Shiv Sena claims that BJP leaders, including Fadnavis, did not wear masks while in public gatherings. They also took pot shots at allies Congress and Shiv Sena. Sena said that NCP leader, Cabinet Minister Jayant Patil tested positive for COVID after he took a tour in the state, which led to crowding. Shiv Sena also lashed out at the Congress, its ally, targeting Maharashtra Congress chief Nana Patole, who is under quarantine for wanting to protest against celebrities despite knowing the grave COVID situation. Mustafa Sheikh is joining us with more details on this. Mustafa, very curious reaction that's coming from the Shiv Sena. They've essentially blamed everyone but themselves, and they haven't just left it to the opposition. They also blamed their own allies.
Yes, of course. This is what a twist which has been given by the mouthpiece of Shiv Sena, Samna, in its editorial on Sunday morning. They have blamed Congress, NCP leaders for carrying out mass programs. They have blamed BJP for carrying out protests. They have said that it was the opposition like BJP in Maharashtra. They were protesting on each and every given occasion in Maharashtra for unlocking of temples, for basically allowing celebrations of Shivaji Jayanti to happen on a large scale, to open locals for all. All these measures have been taken, and now the cases have gone up, and hence the Sena is asking who is responsible for this rise in cases. Though Uddhav Thackeray has clearly said last week too that people have to decide whether they want to take all the precautions or whether they want to go under lockdown. What is also to be noted, that if you see on record at least, Uddhav Thackeray has maintained COVID protocols, and at all times, at all events, he is never seen without a mask, and he is still driving his own car since the time last year when the COVID thing started. So he has been very strict about following the COVID protocols. He is also eyeing the big weddings which are happening at the various districts of Maharashtra, where more than 200-500 people are coming. So all these measures will be taken by Maharashtra government, but yes, Shiv Sena is not letting go any chance to blame, be it its political allies in Maharashtra or the BJP, who is the opposition, for flouting COVID norms, which is one of the reasons they say for the rising cases in the state. Back to you.
The focus should be on getting over this crisis, on tackling the surge and ensuring there's a dip in cases. What we're seeing, unfortunately, however, is a blame game and political bickering. Mustafa, thank you for joining us with all those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.